So, I'm the new face around here. Holland Village, where quaint old world charm catches up with modern sophistication. I met a local the other day over coffee, toast, and a rare magazine he'd found. And then I saw it too. It's a place that smiles. Actually, I'm a little like that. A blend of the treasured and the new. If you're someone who loves a life with rhythm and rest, I've heard of all the best spots. Where to unwind, where to push yourself, and where to just be. Don't just live, belong. Step outside, and you'll see why I love it here. Everyone knows your name, and every face worn is a storied past. That's village living. A little quirky, a little warmer, a little more familiar. City life. It's vibrant and it's always moving. If you ever feel like stepping out of your backyard, the city's just a stone's throw away. Whether it's for work, school, or a well-earned break. And when it's time to unplug, I'll be right here. Here, it's colorful in its own way. Where you can take your time and savor every moment. Because where I am, the days are charming. But the nights, they're a different kind of magic. Let the glow of Holland Village's streets lead you. You'll end up somewhere good. So if you're looking for a place that just feels right, yeah, I'll meet you here. Over here, it's just charming.